Lahat ng pagsubok may dahilan. Lahat ng paghihirap may katapusan. Lahat ng problema may solusyon. Lahat ng pagbagsak may pagbangon. Wala tayong hindi kayang lampasan at pagtagumpayan kapag Diyos ang ating maging sandalan.
We see them flying free. That's just like you and me. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you.